Hello friends, next we have the program Simple Calculator. This is also one of the lab program. So in this case we are checking the conditions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus using switch case. Include the header file stdio.h int main. After that declare all the local variables here. I am taking a, b, sum, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus and choice as a local variables. Declare the clear screen function. Then print one menu on the screen. It is like a heading with a simple calculator. Then choice 1 for addition, choice 2 for subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus 3, 4, 5. Now this is going to print on the screen like this. Heading will be simple calculator, choice 1 addition, choice 2 subtraction, choice 3 multiplication and choice 4 division and choice 5 modulus. So you can get the things on the screen like this. So you can choose one number among this. So that is your printf and scanf. Printf, enter your choice, scanf %d ampersand choice. Suppose if you want to go for addition, you can choose 1. If you want to go for subtraction, you can choose 2. Now consider my choice is 2. Then go for one printf and scanf statement to read the values of a and b. So this is what the input you wanted. A value something and b value something. Printf, enter a, b values, scanf 2 %d because ampersand a, ampersand b. So now I'll enter a value as 2 and b value as 5. A value 2, b value 5. Then the switch case will be executed. Switch of choice. See, switch case opened here and closed here. Between that many cases are there. See, whatever the choice I have read, it is going to substitute here 2. Then this choice will be compared with all the cases. What is my choice? 2. This will be compared with the first case. Whether 2 is equivalent to 1? No, false. Then 2 will be compared with the second case. Whether 2 is equal to 2? Yes. If the case 2 is true, then these statements will be executed. So according to this, subtraction is equal to a minus b. What is the a value? 2. What is the b value? 5. So 2 minus 5, the answer will be minus 3. Minus 3 is stored in what? Subtraction. Then print that message. The result is equal to %d subtraction. After that, break statement will be executed so that your switch case will be terminated and you can see this output on the screen. Got it? Suppose if you run the same program second time and if your choice is 4, then what happens? You can read the a, b values. If you want same values, you can give, otherwise you can give the different values. So here I am going to take a value as 15, a value 15 and b value 5. Now compare here. What is the choice? 4. Substitute here. Choice is now 4. This 4 will be compared with 1. Whether these two are equal? No. Then 4 will be compared with case 2. Whether 4 is equivalent to 2? No. Then 4 will be compared with 3. Whether 4 is equivalent to 3? No. Then 4 will be compared with case 4. Whether 4 is equivalent to 4? Yes. This condition true means these statements will be executed. So according to case 4, we are going for division operator. So division is equal to a minus b. A value 15 and b value 5. So answer is 3. 3 is going to be stored in division, div, and print it. Then break statement will be executed. So switch case will be terminated and you can see the output on the screen. So like this, what happens? Whatever the choice you are going to choose among this, that will be compared with all the cases. Which one will be matching or which case will be matching, those respective statements will be executed. Suppose consider here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 choices are there. Suppose if you choose your choice as 6 or 7, the other number, any number other than these 5. If you choose 6, so my choice is now 6. Substitute here 6. So then this 6 will be compared with all these cases so that it is not going to match with any of the cases. Then what happens? Default case will be executed. According to this default case, you can print one message. It is like your choice is invalid. Your choice is invalid. Otherwise you can print enter the proper choice. So like that you can give your own opinions here. Then switch case will be terminated so that you will get the output as invalid choice. So this is what the switch case or simple calculator using switch case. Thank you.